if you're in the marketplace for a Defender 90, but you don't want something brand new, but you want high spec and you want something that's been really well looked after, this is a great car. It's a 2021 3-litre D250 HSE. There's not many HSE 90s available, early ones like this, but when it was ordered from Land Rover, it's done 12,000 miles. They're paid for great spec. Upgraded 22-inch wheels from factory. It's an X-Dynamics. You've got great styling. It's got air suspension. It's got a detachable towbar. It's a HSE. So the earlier ones like this, the HSEs, they put everything on them. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, sliding sunroof. It looks tremendous, the car, as well, because of them wheels. So they're not on aftermarket wheels. They were £2,500. It's then got Mudflaps, side steps. It just sits and looks beautiful. Priced at $55,990, only done 12,000 miles. It's just a lovely original Defender, supplied from our local Land Rover dealer with the right specification. I'll show you inside. And why I want to press about the ages, because if you were to order a HSE now, they don't have air suspension, you have to pay extra for it. They don't have a heated steering wheel, you have to pay extra for it, where this has got all that specification. So the seats inside are heated and cooled. You've got a heated steering wheel, you've got full extended leather across the dash, air suspension, which is a big one. You've also got the ClearSight camera up there as well. And then obviously you've got your full surround camera system as well as the ClearSight. It's got the dark finish inside, so you can see the across there, across here, and across the steering wheel, which I'll show you when we move round, is all finished in a darker finishing. It's got a detachable towbar. The people we bought the car off never ever used it. I'll show you. Spare wheel cover. Detachable towbar, never been used. And then you've got your all-important air suspension button. So it's a 3-litre diesel, 250 horsepower, and it's got the air suspension. Them seats drop down if you need further space. And then if we move round, and I'll show you a couple of bits from this side. It's keyless entry, you've got your blind spot monitoring, illuminated kick plates, Meridian speaker system, memory seats, and then you've got full heated leather steering wheel with your adaptive cruise, as I've mentioned, digital cockpit inside, heated seats, cooled seats, front and rear heated screens, all your charging cables, and this is that finish across the steering wheel which just gives it that little bit extra lovely darkened finish. Full extended leather dashboard, 12,800 miles, full Land Rover service history, cracking buy, going live on the website. If you want any more info, call me, the number's on the screen. Thank you for watching.